Go.
Hello, fellow students and classmates. This is Robbie, and I'm Jaden. Today we are going to be learning 10.5, renting and owning. Now, please examine our work because we are the GOAT.
And be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, so first we are going to be talking about the advantages of renting or owning. One advantage of renting is the flex ability. I spelled that wrong, but
Some people say, slow down, Robbie, you're jumping right into it. But I think we're doing our job. Hope you can keep up.
now flexibility moves rarely and involves significant financial loss. And then after that we have another advantage. It's easier to budget. And then we also have minimal maintenance on renting. As well as the last advantage of it is no unforeseen repair expenditures. Now we are going to talk about the advantages of owning.
Hey, Robbie, what are the advantages of owning?
Well, Jaden, I'll tell you that in 1 minute.
Oh, thanks, dude. You're the GOAT.
The stability of owning. The mortgage. Payments.
Catch me in the Dominion. How about that?
Does not go up each year. After that, we also have the property is usually appreciates. And you can also do as you wish with the property.
As long as it's okay with your HMA or your awkward HOA. Oh, homeowners, my bad. Home Mowers Association. Because if you pay someone to mow your lawn, then you can't be putting sprinklers everywhere. You know what I'm saying?
All right, and now
People like me gotta mow.
we are gonna talk about the disadvantages of renting. The rent can increase each year.
Planet Fitness is a proud sponsor of our math video.
And there is no equity buildup. But wait, what does equity mean? Well, what equity mean is
My job. I'm supposed to ask that. Wait, what does equity mean?
equity means that whatever you do to your house, any improvements, any stuff like putting in a new floor or a new air conditioner, it makes the value of your house go up.
No way. That's awesome.
Also, there is noise or neighbors who smoke for a duplex or apartment. You do not want neighbors that smoke because smoking is bad for your health.
Especially if it's illegal. You don't want the SWAT team popping up next door. Mr. Mays,
Yes,
you're the GOAT. Thanks for being our teacher.
you're welcome. Now we are going to talk about the disadvantages of owning. You will have more expenses if you own. As well as real estate tax, homeowners insurance, and maintenance. You will also have unexpected repair expenses, such as a pipe breaking.
Whenever my plumber comes over, I'm like, pipe it up, sir. Gotta have my new pipes.
You also have more work. Maintenance is time consuming. All right. Now, after that, we are going to do some examples. Are y'all ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Yeah.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
All right. So the Morgans are deciding between renting an apartment or buying a new house with a mortgage of $500 per month for 20 years. Taxes will be $1,200 per year. The down payment is $25,000. Closing costs are $3,000, and landscaping repairs and improvements are a total of $2,500. Homeowners insurance is $360 per year. How much will the house cost? Wow, that is a very large question.
Mr. Mays, my mind is blown. How do I do this?
Well, I'm going to tell you that right now. As you see, this problem has 4 steps, so we're going to take each one of them step by step. Now, first we are going to do is we are going to find the annual cost of mortgage, taxes, and insurance.
How do we do that?
I'll tell you in 1 second.
Okay. Robbie Mays!
All right, now after
The
that, we are
mastermind.
going to do,
How do we do it? Come on, Robbie, show us how it's done.
first we got to do 12 times $500. Everyone keeping up with me?
Nice, bro. You're the GOAT.
Then we are going to have to add the $1,200 because that's a tax. So, for 1 year, it is going to be that. We are using that $500 right there. Then after that, we are going to add $360 for the homeowner's insurance. After that, we get our grand total of $7,560. Then, after that, we are going to calculate the costs for 20 years. Now, how you do this is you are going to have 20 years, so 20 right there. Then you are going to multiply it by $7,560. And that should give us $151,200. After that, we are going to find the total for one-time costs.
Wow, what's the next step, Robbie?
Well, let's solve this one first, Jaden.
Oh, sorry. I'm so eager to find out how to do this.
You know, this is going to help you in life.
No way.
Yes way.
Ah, you're the GOAT.
Then we are going to do $25,000 plus $3,000, as well as we are going to add $2,500, and that should give us $30,500.
Wow.
As you see, we are working with a lot of numbers, but if you underline or highlight that question, it is going to make it a lot simpler for you.
A lot more simple? Nice.
Then, after that, we are going to do step number 4. Add the total over 20 years. So we are going to take 1,051 200 and 30,500,
Nice.
and then we are also going to add those together, and it should give us 100,000, $181,700,
Whoa.
and that is going to be your answer.
That was simple.
All right. Now, are we ready to move on to example 2?
Yes, Mr. Mays.
Great. So we are going to have 6 times.
Mr. Mays, you're
Well-
off the radar.
Thank you so much, Jaden.
You're welcome.
So we are going to have the Morgans in example 1 consider an apartment at $750 per month with a rent increases of $50 every 6 years. How
Mr.
much will
Mays,
the
is that expensive for an apartment?
I've never lived in an apartment, so I could not tell you that.
700.
So, we are gonna look at this with a rent increase of $50 every 6 months. How much will the apartment cost if they rent it for 20 years? Is the house in example 1 or apartment cheaper? So, we are gonna do 6 times 12. So, it would be 6 years. So 6 times 12, so we are going to do 6 years, and there's 12 months in a year. So 6 times 12, and then after that we are going to do $750 for the month. So if you look at that, it will give us about $54,000.
Per year?
No, Jaden, for the 6 years.
Whoa. That's awesome.
Alright, so step number 2 is we are going to find the rent for years 7 through 12 because of that $50 increase. So, we are going to do 6 times 12. And then after that, we are going to do times 800 because it increased $50, which is 57,600. After that, we are going to move on to step 3, which is find the rent. Find the rent for years 13 through 18. So, what we are going to do is we are going to do 6 times 12 for the 6 years, and then it's going to increase another $50, so it is going to go to 850. Then that should give us 61,200. This may confuse you when you are buying an apartment. So, after we get that number, we are going to move on to step 4, which is calculate the rent for years 19 through 20. So, we are going to do 2 times 12 times 900. And that should give us 21,600.
21 Savage, that's a lot.
Not 21 Savage, Jaden. 21,000.
Oh.
And if we add all this together, it should give us $194,400.
That's
And
what I
then-
got.
If we look at this, for the apartment it is $194,400. And that is going to be a lot more than $181,700. So, to conclude, buying the apartment would be more expensive than getting the house. Therefore, the house is cheaper.
What an advantage. And you can do whatever you want.
All right, and that is all I have for you today. And always like and subscribe.
Proud sponsor of Planet Fitness.